Here's what's new in aXcelerate. Conditions are now able to be configured for work-based learning activities. These can be used to provide additional information relating to the circumstances of the learner's experience, such as their level of supervision. Condition sets can be used for all activities within a particular type or customized for each activity. Conditions will appear as a set of checkboxes that will be available for learners to select when submitting logbook entries. Admins, trainers, and supervisors will then be able to view and approve the selections provided within a learner's logbook. You are now able to set the default certificate templates for specific workshop types and qualifications. The selected templates will be the default option when issuing certificates for those courses. You can also enable a setting to only allow default certificates to be issued. This can be used to make sure a specific template is always used for a particular course. Learner help requests will be launching at the beginning of November. Since the start of the beta, we have been able to make substantial improvements to help requests, including improvements to the way requests are sent and searched, as well as new functionality like email notifications and file attachments. We will also continue to address user feedback and make improvements to the feature beyond launch. Coming on November 2nd, aXcelerate will support Stripe as an integrated payment gateway. Stripe supports a range of alternate payment options, including Afterpay, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. Get in touch with us to learn more. Check out our Help and Support Center to read our full release notes for this month.